Can you log in with Facebook on Clash of Clans? Everyone, today we're going to see if it's possible to log into Clash of Clans with Facebook. First thing you have to do is open up Clash of Clans account, and once you have done that, what you need to do next is go ahead and simply tap on the gear icon at the bottom right above the shop. And here, as you can see, you're only able to connect it with your Supercell ID or your Google Play sign-in. So if you tap on it, it will be disconnected. And now you could just continue with your Google Play sign-in. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on it to connect it with your Google Play. And if you want to connect your Supercell ID, you could just tap on it, and it will ask you to connect your Supercell ID with this. So keep tapping next. You can skip it for now if you want and select what you want to connect it with. So go ahead and select any account that you want to connect with. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and click on connect. And now you can easily connect it with your Supercell ID. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.